Hello students, welcome to English for SSC, your one-stop solution for mastering English and preparing for the SSC exam. Are you struggling with grammar rules, gap fillings, right form verbs, changing sentence feels you confusing? Or maybe you get stuck with writing tasks like paragraphs, email, dialogues, and short compositions. Don't worry, you are not alone. Many students face the same problem before exam. That's why I created this channel English for SSC. Here you will learn grammar rules with explained most easily, step-by-step examples for gap fillings, right form verbs, changing sentences, and more. Writing guides for paragraphs, emails, dialogues, short composition, and summaries. Tips and tricks to score higher in your upcoming SSC exam. And the best part is, every lesson is based on the SSC syllabus so that you can study smarter, not harder. So if you want to feel confident in English, improve your grammar, and shine in your SSC exam, this is the right place you are. Let's learn, let's practice, and let's succeed together with English for SSC. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Your support and engagement are what keep this channel going. Let's make this journey to English mastery a shared success. English for SSC, learn, practice, and succeed. Thank you.